Hello everyone. Today you will study Unit 6, The Milkman's Cow from your literature book. Children, from this story, you will learn that kindness can work better than violence, force, pressure and anger. Okay? But first of all, let us read the chapter and underline the new words used in this chapter. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. The milkman begged the cow to get up. The children are waiting for their milk to help them grow strong. Please get up, he pleaded. He pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came a policeman, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. He said, twirling his long moustache. I will show you how to do it right. The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. He said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. The grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came a wrestler, his muscles gleaming in the sun. He said, I have the strength of 10 horses. So, this should be fun. The wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came the ice cream man, jingling his cart. Cool down, cool down. It can't be too hard. The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came a little boy. He began to grin. He said, these grown-ups, look at the mess they are in. It is not such a difficult problem. I learnt in the second class that human beings eat rice and wheat, and cows eat grass. He held out a sheaf of tasty green. The cow began to chew. He slowly led her to the side, for he knew what to do. The grocer clapped. The policeman twirled his stick in joy. The wrestler grinned. The ice cream man whooped at the cleverness of the boy. The milkman happily clattered his pail. Being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. Now, the summary of the story. One day, the milkman's cow sat in the middle of the road. It was in a bad mood. The milkman tried his best, but failed to move the cow. Soon a policeman arrived there. The policeman and the milkman together pulled and tugged, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. Then a grocer came. He, along with the policeman and the milkman, pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow did not move. Then came a wrestler, and after him an ice cream man, but all failed to move the cow. At last a child came. He gave a bundle of grain stalk to the cow. The cow immediately got up and began to chew the grain stalk. The child slowly led her to the side. Thus, we should be kind towards the animal, because force and strength can fail, but not love and kindness. Now, look at the new words with their meanings. The first word is middle, means center. Second, refused, means denied. Third, begged, means asked humbly for something. Fourth, strong, means physically powerful. Fifth, pleaded, means made an emotional request. Sixth word is tugged, means pulled forcefully. Seventh, prayed, means requested for help. Eighth word, buckles, means a piece of metal or plastic attached to one end of a belt or strap, which is used to fasten it. Ninth word is gleaming, means shining brightly. 10th word, bright, means filled with light. 11th, twirling, means twisting. 12th word is mustache, means hair on a man's upper lip. 13th word is grocer, means a person who sells food and vegetables. 14th word is wrestler, means a person who takes part in a fight or contest. 15th word is strength, means the quality of being strong. 16th word is jingling, means ringing.
17th word is grin, means a broad smile.
18th word is sheaf, means a bundle of grain stalks. 19th word is twirled, means spun quickly and lightly round. 20th word is whooped, means cried loudly in excitement. The last word is clattered, means made a loud sound like that of hard objects hitting each other.